Hello everyone! Today's video is going to be a baking video. I wanted to share with you guys a vegan banana bread recipe that I have been loving recently. It's dairy-free, guilt-free, and absolutely delicious. So stick with me while I show you how I make my banana bread. So here are the ingredients I'm gonna use. Flour, salt, baking soda, walnuts, soy milk, organic brown sugar, vegetable oil, bananas, and I forgot to put it in this part, but I'm also going to add some cinnamon. First thing I always do is to peel the bananas and mash them on a bowl or plate with the fork. The next step is I'm going to mix the brown sugar and the oil. After mixing the two, I'll add in the soy milk and mix them until the mixture becomes smooth. In a separate bowl, I'm gonna mix the flour, baking soda, cinnamon, and salt. So next, I'm going to form a well in the middle of the dry mixed ingredients and then pour half of the wet ingredients. And as you can see, the batter is hard to mix, so I just pour the remaining wet ingredients. I'm now going to chop the walnuts and set it aside for later. I personally love banana bread with lots of walnuts, so I tend to put a lot. I'm gonna add the mashed bananas and mix it with the batter. And lastly, the walnuts. I kind of just folded it into the mixture because I don't want to over mix it. After mixing the batter, I'm now going to pour the batter into my baking pan. I used an aluminum baking pan, so I'm going to reduce the baking time. Pop it in the oven, set your timer, and wait for the bread to get cooked. And this is the outcome, guys. It's a little crispy on the outside but soft and moist on the inside. I hope you liked this video, and I will leave the recipe in the description box in case you guys would want to try it out. Let me know in the comments below if you tried it and what recipes you would want to see next. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye!